How to do Ask Me Anything on Snapchat story. First of all, update your Snapchat application. Then open your Snapchat application. Now click on the camera icon below. Click on emoji icon in right side. Now swipe up or tap on explore. Now click on search tab and search for Ask Me Anything. Open this filter. Click on this icon and capture snap. Now edit this snap a little bit. And click on send to button. Now you send this streak to whoever you want to send it to. Now go back. You can see that the streak I just sent has been delivered. Tell me in the comments what is the favorite question you received from your friends.